Morning, second graders. I wish that I was at school today teaching you math, but I'm not. So instead, you are going to have a choice board of 6 choices, and I'm going to tell you about those choices in a minute. Like always, you can do one of those choices. You can do 2 of the choices. If you have time, you can try to do all of them, but you must be doing something all the time. So you cannot just simply sit there and say, well, I finished my place value spider. If you finish your place value spider, then you need to make one of the other choices. So yesterday I said to you that we were going to have a friendly competition, and I'm going to hold on to that. So I teach math to all 3 second grade classes, my class, Mrs. Redden's class, and Mrs. Rison's class. And I challenged you to be your very best student today, to set a great example so that our sub comes in and says, oh my goodness, I cannot believe the fabulous second graders and the good choices and the listening that they are doing. So on my sub plans, I'm going to ask my sub to tell me which class just did the best job. And my hope is that the choice is so hard that you all do such a great job that I have to give every single second grade student a core cash. Okay? But if not, I will give core cash to whichever class does the best job. So please, please, please blow me away. Be respectful, good listeners, and I'm excited to hear how you did. All right, so here we go. This is your choice board. That is not your choice board. I'm going to present it. So as always, you have time in the morning sometimes or during block 4 to do extra math. If you haven't or you want to try to do that before block 4, you are welcome to get your extra math out of the way. Your second may-do choice is a place value spider, and I will tell you what number. So it says have students roll the dice 3 times to come up with a number. You're not going to do that because that would mean that I need to give you a dice, and that is too confusing. So the number that you're going to be doing on your place value spider, if you decide to do that, is 753. 753. 753. So right here on your spider, you'll write 753. All right. I will make a short video, or actually I'm just going to give the directions to the sub and they can explain this to you if you're choosing the place value spider. Okay. But that's what that is. Another may-do choice is the graphing worksheet. So remember, we talked about graphing, picture graphs and bar graphs. This is a cookie scale picture graph, so you will need to use the key. Really important. If you don't look at the key on this, you won't get the right answers. It shows me that 1 cookie is 5. All right, so you will do that if this is your choice. Another choice is to head over to Epic, and at the top search bar, you're going to type in time, T-I-M-E, and you can listen, read books, or watch videos about time, because remember we started talking about time and how to read time yesterday. And then your last 2 choices are 2 boom card activities. So one of them is counting money, and one of them is just some fun Halloween edition. All right, so those are your choices. Remember, you need to be making one of these choices at all times. And I can't wait to see which class does the best.